Once again, I came Riverside in order to record my video. This is evening time when I'm recording my video. So as you can see behind me, a lot of cattle, they are grazing. That is why they are adding more beauty to this scenario, right? So in one word, I would say that this scenario is really so captivating. So actually, I want to make videos from different places, and if it's possible, then from crowded places also. But the thing is that I'm unable to do this thing. Actually, making video from only one place, I feel monotonous, So I had recorded many video from my garden. That is why I wanted to change, and there created one another reason also. Now people, they are playing music. That is why there was no chance at all so that I could make my video from my garden. And finally I had to come here. So I came here, and what I found that there is no crop at all. If you have already watched one of my previous videos, then you must have noticed I used to sow wheat crop. But people, they have already harvested. There is no crop at all. Every field is vacant. I can't say barren, but vacant, because after few days, once again people, they will start farming work. Thing I want to share with you, in one of my videos I showed you one pond, right? So now see the size of that pond. It has shrinked, it has decreased. So this is not the important topic, right? Here I should talk something so that it can add value in your life, so that you can learn something, right? So my friend, I have got a lot of comments, so I try to reply all the comments. Then I came across many comments which were similar. That is why I want to answer. The number of people were a lot, but the question was same. And what was the question? That if I practice sincerely, so can I become a fluent speaker within few months? Then my friend, I want to tell you one thing. Obviously, if you involve more, if you practice more, the chances are you will become fluent speaker. But something we can't change. One thing I want to share with you. Look at behind me, one mango tree is there. Okay, so if we want to take mango or eat mango, then without season we can't eat. And for that one, what we need to do, if there is no tree at all, so what we need to do, we need to plant, afterward water, and then wait for the right moment, right season. Similarly, you have now got the thought to learn this language, and you may have started learning this language, right? So it means that you have sowed the seed for learning this language, but now it's time to water and wait. But in the waiting process, you no need to sit and wait. You need to do hard work, okay? Try to involve more and more so that you can become a fluent speaker. So the answer of that question is, obviously, if you involve more, then you can become a fluent speaker fast way. But my friend, this is a language, it takes time, So if we want to grow any plant, then why don't we become impatient that I want to grow this plant overnight? Why we wait? Do we wait or not? We wait, right? We don't become impatient that today we are going to plant, then tomorrow we need a grown-up tree, or we need a grown-up plant. We don't do like that. But coming to learning this language, many people, they are getting impatient, and they are saying that I have started my journey and I want to become a fluent speaker as soon as possible. Everyone wants to become a fluent speaker very soon, but it has the natural process, my friend, that you have to follow, and not only you, everyone, So it takes time. So don't be impatient. One thing I want to share with you, if you want to learn this language fast way, then like me, start recording video, whether you post or not, whether you want to become a YouTuber or not, but for your fluency, try to record your video. okay, and describe the thing which is around you, surround you. My friend, when I came here, so in that pond, what I noticed, there were a lot of children, they were fishing, okay. So I came here, I would say approximately 1 hour ago, but I kept thinking what to record, and moreover, there was, hot day, I would say sunny day, due to which I couldn't make my video. Actually, I wanted, but my face was not coming clearly due to sunlight and all. That is why I kept waiting, and finally I thought, okay, let's try to record, okay, whatever. Now it is a little late, sun may set after a few minutes, but it's not the important things. So see how I'm describing everything. My friend, I always tell you, try to describe. And I had got another comments also that she always motivates only, she doesn't teach. My friend, I am not teaching here grammar and other rules. I suggest you always try to watch grammar videos. A lot of teachers are available, so I can only suggest you. I don't have the instrument where I can teach you one by one that this is what you should, this is how you should practice. I'm unable to do, and I'm sorry for that one. In future, if I can, then definitely, but I need instrument. I don't have proper camera. I have one simple mobile phone. With the help of that mobile phone, I record my video. So I'm unable to help you completely, but I try my level best to do. In future, maybe I will do that one also, to teach step by step, okay. But I share my experience, and if there is one sincere person, then he can take my word seriously and start practicing. And the thing which I do, I just share genuinely, because I haven't joined any spoken classes. There is no pressure at all that tell the like tell the lie. No, it's not like that. I have to share the genuine thing which I have experienced. I try to share with my friends so that it can help them to improve their English, okay. So I have got a lot of comments. I will reply one by one. So this is what, as you can see, this is vibrant view. My village is really so beautiful. Every facility is there. Water is available, or we can grow any kinds of crop except the crop which people grow on hilly area. Apart from that one, we can grow everything in my area, So as you can see here, this is dam. So yeah, cattle are grazing. This small child came here to see that what I am actually doing. Not only he, but a lot of children, they came. Some of them, they were mocking from that dam, they were standing on the dam. Some biker also, they were mocking at me, that like they were just questioning what is she doing. That is why they used to stop their bike and watch me. But earlier it was affecting me a lot. I used to close my mobile camera, and then get affected by them. But now, day by day, my fear is disappearing, because I am not doing something wrong, right? I am doing the right things. That is why day by day that confidence is coming. So what happened in your case also, you might be not able to speak very good way in front of people, but that day will not remain the same. You are also going to speak very fluently, but for that one, try to stand in front of your fear and face your fear. I mean, if you feel fear while talking with people, then talk to people, because this is how your fear will be gone. But if you think, okay, it will be gone automatically, then it will never ever be gone, okay. It will create problem a lot. So this is what, as you can see, a lot of goats are there. People, they are grazing their goats, buffaloes, so many things are there. So I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.